description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one. This came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is Samyang Tangle. I guess if you were saying Tangle in South Korea, you'd call it Tangle. But this is a garlic oil pasta. I'm guessing like an aglio olio kind of deal. And yeah, let's get to it. You don't add anything in now, even though it seems like you would add the flake to it, but it doesn't say to. But it's you have to. You just gotta, right? Here, let's see what it says. It says, it's like I just got this ready. Oh, add oil and flakes. Microwave it for 5 minutes and then add in the third one. So we'll do that. So I'm going to add the water first. Here's the noodle. It's noodly. We'll fill it to the line, the proverbial line. I'll make sure that I got that line. Yeah, that's the line, all right. Okay. Line. All right. I should note that this reeks. Has a garlic reek to it, which is, I suppose, as it should. Is garlic oil flavor. But I mean, it's got a strong smell. Yeah. There goes the oil. I bet you this is gonna really stink up the microwave. I guess we'll find out, huh? So today is July 30th, 2025. Your little informational time capsule of the day. There was a huge... Here, let me put this in and I'll tell you about the huge. So 5 minutes in. So there was a huge earthquake off the coast of Russia near one of my favorite named places in the world, the Sea of Okhotsk, which is by Kamchatka. And it's right across, it's as east as you can get in Russia. It's right across the way from Alaska. I don't think you're going to see that from your window in Alaska, but it's really not that far, geographically speaking. And, yeah, so it was an 8.8. It was 8.7 or 8.8. I saw a thing saying it was the 8th largest earthquake ever recorded in the world. So that's pretty big. And we had, what do you call them? Tsunami warnings and stuff, so pretty impressive. And I didn't hear anything about any casualties from it, but I'd be hard pressed to think that there weren't some people that had a little bit of trouble from that. There was video coming out of that area in Russia, 100 kilometers away, houses swaying, cars going boom, 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 like they had hydraulics in them. So that's the most recent crazy stuff going on. Oh, what else? We voted. We got to drop off our ballot. Gosh, what else? Epstein, blah blah. It's not really going so well for old orange pants guy, as he keeps opening his mouth and inserting his foot. So, I didn't have the privilege of going to the place where all the horrible things happened. I wasn't invited. I was invited. Yeah, it's like, I was invited and I turned it down. You mean you were invited and you went? Went and saw my doctor. He said I have a leg sprain. Went and got a bunch of blood work done. Everything is good. And he said I'm the healthiest person in the world. So, oh, come on. But, you know, maybe not, but as far as like how all the liquids inside of me look under some kind of machine, it says all my liquids are balanced and taste quite good. So that's a plus. I like that. I just need to get rid of this stupid leg problem and get out and walk more. It's driving me nuts. It's really not fun. But, you know, the dude abides. And, yeah. But today is Wednesday. I found that on that camera that I got, that's my wife. On that camera that I got, it's not so happy with, like, what's cool is you can make it so it's not zoomed out, but if you zoom it all, but if you like tilt it down, the lens goes, and that's a pain in the butt. So there's a little tab and you can lock it. So that's what I do, is I lock it. And I tried with the last three using it to take the pretty pictures over there, and it did okay. It wasn't like wondrous, but it wasn't bad. And I'm going to try it again today with some different settings. I've done a lot of messing with it. But I went on the Buy Nothing thing and I asked, hey, does anybody have like any lenses for these things? They're really cool. I could use one. Something different. Uh-oh. And I asked, well, somebody replied, said, because what I have is a Canon Rebel T3i. This guy's like, well, I've got a T4i and a few lenses kind of just like gathering dust, so you can have it. I'm like, wow. So in a few days I'll get that. That's pretty styling, I think. Yep, that certainly reeks of garlic. Kinda. It's like garlic oil has kind of got this putridy kind of thing going on with it, but it's not bad. I know as soon as my wife gets out for lunch, she's gonna be like, "What's that smell?" I'll be like, "Well, I did some cooking." This is the first reviewing I'm doing this week. The last 2 weeks I did a ton. Kind of burnt myself out. But I also had to do, what do you call it? Unboxing videos, which I really needed to get to. I just didn't feel like it, but I forced myself to on Monday. This is Wednesday. And then yesterday I did all the images and stuff for this. I had to make a decision, and I think I made the right one. I had to make a purchase. So when I edit images, I use a lot of generative fill to get rid of glare. And Here, I'll tell you more about that on the next one. I think the next one takes 4 minutes, and I can tell you that while the water is boiling. Yeah. But it's a good choice, and yeah, I'm happy. So here we go. This is garlic oil pasta. Tangle from Samyang. Cheers. Wow, there's enough garlic in there. I don't know if that's actually like pepper heat or just garlic heat. I'm gonna go with the latter, the garlic heat. No. I wasn't going to use this bowl, but I think I'm going to today. I was going to use a different bowl. But I'll use this. Don't really have much, if any, garnish prepared for today's reviews. I just wanted to, like, do reviews. Okay, let's so I do have a couple options. I'm gonna go mellow today, I think. Some crushed red pepper. Let me look at my mint situation. Hold up. A wee bit of mint. Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do to it. I really don't. It's very, very flavorful. I don't think it requires a lot of such. Yeah. Yeah. Well, hey, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is another variety that was sent from James from Lakeside, California. Dude, Vifon hot salted egg. This is Vietnamese and should be interesting. So yeah, that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hey, you fellas seen my sister Murgatroyd? She was standing over here just a minute ago. Yeah, I think I saw her over there with Grandma. mic, you know. Take a dive.